Welcome to Tech Talks Unleashed.
The innovative label introduced by TikTok serves a dual purpose for creators on the platform. Firstly, it enables creators to showcase the technology behind their content, emphasizing the role of AI in content creation. This can help viewers understand and appreciate the creative process behind AI-generated content. Secondly, the label plays a crucial role in ensuring compliance with TikTok's community guidelines synthetic media policy, which was implemented earlier in the year. This policy specifically requires the labeling of AI-generated content that includes realistic images, audio, or video. By using the new label or other methods of disclosure, such as stickers or captions, creators can provide essential context to viewers. In summary, TikTok's innovative labeling feature not only promotes transparency about AI involvement in content, but also helps creators adhere to the platform's policy regarding AI-generated content containing realistic elements. TikTok is taking significant steps to ensure that both creators and viewers comprehend the purpose and usage of the new labels designed for disclosing AI-generated content. To achieve this, TikTok has announced its plans to release educational videos and resources in the coming weeks. These educational materials will serve as valuable guides, helping creators and viewers understand how and why to use these labels effectively. These labels are not just a minor addition, they are poised to become essential tools within the TikTok community. Much like verified account badges and branded content labels, these AI-generated content labels will play a crucial role in sharing and contextualizing content on the platform. They contribute to transparency and responsible content creation by clearly indicating when AI has been involved in content generation. In summary, TikTok's commitment to educating its community about these labels underscores their importance in the platform's ecosystem. These labels are set to provide both creators and viewers with clarity and context, ensuring a better TikTok experience for all. TikTok is taking significant steps to address AI-generated content and enhance transparency. They are pioneering the automatic labeling of AI-generated content, and here's a summary of their efforts. 1. Automated AI-generated content labels. 2. TikTok is testing an AI-generated label that will be applied automatically to content detected as edited or created with AI. This label aims to provide clarity to viewers about the origin of the content. 3. Explicit AI effects, labeling. 4. To improve clarity around AI-powered TikTok effects, they will include AI in their names and corresponding effects labels. This addition helps users identify AI-enhanced content more easily. 5. Collaboration and expert consultation. 6. TikTok is collaborating with experts and organizations to navigate AI responsibly. They consulted their safety advisory councils and sought input from industry professionals, including MIT's Dr. David G. Rand, to shape the AI-generated labels. 7. Partnerships for responsible AI practices. 8. TikTok is actively participating in initiatives like the Partnership on AI's Responsible Practices for Synthetic Media. They are also partnering with organizations like Digital Moment to engage with the community and gather insights on AI advancement. 9. Commitment to evolution. 10. TikTok acknowledges the evolving nature of AI-generated content and commits to iterating and assessing the impact of these updates. They aim to work closely with their community to ensure the responsible use of AI in content creation. In summary, TikTok is proactively addressing the challenges and opportunities presented by AI-generated content. Their efforts focus on transparency, collaboration, and responsible practices, with the goal of providing users with a clear understanding of content created with AI.